Today we are going to be multiplying by multiples of 10, and let's start with a familiar problem. So 3 times 5 equals, and I can make that with my threes beads, so I'm going to take 3 5 times. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can pause if you need to count that out. And how many do we have? 15. So 3 times 5 equals 15. Now let's try that with a multiple of 10. So this time we're going to make 3 times not just 5, but 50. 50 is a multiple of 10. Okay, now I could just keep going with my threes beads until I've taken 50 of them, but you know what? I don't have that many. So instead, I can do the inverse operation and take 50 3 times. Okay, and I can do that with my base 10 blocks. So this is 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, and 5 10s. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There's 50 taken once, but we need to do that 3 times. So let's do that again. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's 50 taken twice. And last time, help me count. Okay, so now to find the answer, we're going to put them all together, and we need to count them. Okay, so help me count them out. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hopefully you yelled stop, because we got 10 10s. We have to exchange them for 100. Okay, so here's our 100, and we have some 10s left. Do you think we have enough to make another group of 10? No, I don't think so either. So let's count what we have. We have 100 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So our answer is 150. Okay, and that's one way to multiply by multiples of 10. And we'll do some more problems next time. See you then.